Hello, my dear artholics. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna continue our previous topic, which was basic sketching strokes. In the previous video, we had covered the first 5 types. I hope you'll have practiced it thoroughly. If you have not seen the first part, just go and check it to gain all the information and then come back to this. The link is provided in the description box. In today's video, we learn about the rest of the sketching strokes. Let's quickly get started. This is the easiest so far. You just need to make random lines. More the messy strokes, darker the shade will be. And this process is called as scribbling. In this, you just need to make counting lines in alternate direction, going with the flow of the shape. This is called as choice. Moving on towards the next type. It is commonly used in human sketches for realistic drawings. It highlights the wrinkles and it gives the actual grainy effect. It's not that easy as it looks. Yeah, all you need to do is just to make dots, but that's the difficulty, as it is very time taking and energy consuming method. You need really a lot of patience to work on this. I would suggest opt this for just human portraits. This method is known as stippling method. It is also known as dippling method. Now in this, you simply need to do shading with a single pencil by applying different pressure. And this gives a sharp look to your sketch. process is known as toning. Again, with the same process begins the sketch, but here you need to mix the shade by blending. Now, to create shadow, first of all you need to recognize the source of light in your drawing and then darken the opposite side of it. Now analyze the reflection of light and highlight the drawing as per it, and the shadow falls obviously on the opposite side. This process is known as smudging. Toning and smudging, both of it is a part of texturing, just it is used as per the need of the drawing or sketch. Come on, let's take a quick recap of all of it. Yay, we rock it! With this, we have completed our third day of our journey of basics of drawing. As I have mentioned before, this particular topic is very important for the base of your foundation. So please kindly give more importance to this. Coming forward with a new video very soon. Stay tuned for it. Get connected to my channel for more such helpful videos. See ya guys!